Hello and welcome to another episode on Futures and Options. I am Kushal Lodha, founder of Kager, an education company in financial literacy, and today we are going to learn how to apply advanced hedging techniques in your portfolio.
Hi Kushal. Let's start with the basics. Why should investors bother with hedging?
Think of hedging like putting on a raincoat on a cloudy day. It's not raining yet, but अगर बारिश होती है तो आप protected है. Similarly, hedging shields your investments from unexpected market swings.
Nice analogy. Let's talk about protective put strategy. How does that work?
Alright, imagine you own 1000 shares of stock X bought at rupees 2500 each. It's like having a valuable vase that you would worried might break. To protect it, you buy 10 put options with a strike price of rupees 2400. It's like getting insurance for that vase.
So if stock X's price drops, you are covered?
Exactly. अगर प्राइस रुपीज 2200 तक गिरती है, आप अपने शेयर रुपीज 2400 पे बेच सकते हैं. इट्स लाइक हैविंग अ सेफ्टी नेट. आप अपने लॉसेस को मिनिमाइज कर लेते हैं, कीपिंग देम टू रुपीज 100 पर शेयर.
Got it. What about the collar strategy?
Think of the collar strategy as putting your vase in a protective case with a lock. Let's say you have 500 shares of stock Y bought at rupees 1200 and now they are at rupees 1500. You buy a put option at rupees 1400 and sell a call option at rupees 1600.
And what does this strategy do for you?
If stock Y drops to rupees 1300, you can exercise your put option at rupees 1400. अगर प्राइस रुपीज 1700 तक जाती है, you will have to sell it for rupees 1600. It's like having a case that protects the vase from breaking but also limits how much you can sell it for. It balances protection and potential gain.
Nice. Moving on to the straddle strategy. How does that work?
Picture yourself at a carnival, unsure if you will win a giant teddy bear or a small toy. आप दोनों पे bet करते हैं. In February 2023, a trader bought both call and put options for a sectoral index with a strike price of rupees 40,000, expecting a very big move.
How did that turn out?
The index jumped to rupees 42,000. The trader profited from the call option. अगर price गिरती, the put option would have been valuable. It's like covering all bases. You win no matter which direction the market moves.
Sounds like a safe bet. What about the strangle strategy?
The strangle is like buying tickets for both a comedy show and a rock concert because you are not sure which will be more fun. For a stock Z, the trader bought a put option at rupees 370 and a call option at rupees 390. If the stock price swings a lot, they profit from the movement.
So it's about betting on volatility. But what about ratio spread strategy?
Imagine betting on a horse race but with a twist. अगर index 17,000 पे है, the trader sells two put options at rupees 16,800 and buys one put option at rupees 16,600.
What's the thinking behind that?
अगर index falls to 16,700, the trader makes money from the long put and the short puts. Loss limited होता है to the difference between strike price minus the premium. It's like having a backup plan with a safety net.
That's a clever approach. Any final tips on using these strategies?
Just like आप बिना प्लान के माउंटेन नहीं चढ़ते, वैसे इन स्ट्रैटेजीज को यूज करने से पहले मार्केट आउटलुक और रिस्क टॉलरेंस को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Each strategy is like a tool in a toolkit. Pick the right one for the job.
Wise words, Kushal. Thanks for breaking it down. Any last thoughts for our listeners?
Stay informed, keep an eye on market trends, and use these strategies to protect and grow your portfolio. It's like having a game plan before the big match.
Thanks again. Looking forward to our next chat.
My pleasure. See you next time.